Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to FreshBooks Accounting. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com. That's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get in there, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. Now, how do you switch to FreshBooks Accounting? Let's say you have explored other accounting applications or accounting websites, which include QuickBooks and all other accounting software, and after exploring them, you must have made the most of them, but you just felt like it's not really giving you exactly what you want, and you just want to make the most of another accounting software that can meet all your needs on the go. Then FreshBooks is recommended. All right, so for you to switch from some of the kind of accounting software to FreshBooks Accounting is pretty simple. All you need to do is to create an account on FreshBooks. And how do you create an account on FreshBooks? I have just earlier stated. Just launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar, type freshbooks.com. That's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. And once you get in there, just follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, in the process of creating your account, you may be asked to connect via Google or email or another platform. So it's easier for you to connect via Google because Google helps you to create the accounts without, like, in the hassle-free way. Now, after creating your account, you can head over here, and now you have a couple of features that FreshBooks can definitely allow you to explore. Now, you can win your clients with winning estimates. By creating an estimate, you can track all your expenses from anywhere. So let FreshBooks track your receipt, so you don't have to take a picture of a receipt in your phone or log it manually to track it as an expense. And of course, FreshBooks provide a faster way to pull in your expense data. See all your business expenses at a glance by connecting FreshBooks with your bank to automatically track your transactions. And once you head over to the left navigation panel, you can create clients, you can add clients, you can create estimates, you can create invoices, you can create payments, you can create expenses, you can even create projects, you can track your activities, and you can even move to FreshBooks Accounting. So head over to the accounting, and you have this get direct line of sight into the health of your business. You can do double entry accounting, bank reconciliation, journal entries, and chart of accounting. And of course, you have bank reconciliations. We can keep your books in tip-top shape by connecting your bank, and you have this accounting report as well. You can get your report of your balance sheet, profit and loss, general ledger, trial balance, and you can also update your books to journal entries or chart of accounts. Now, whichever one, you can now explore all of these accounting features in FreshBooks Accounting. You can check reports here as well. You can have integrations, connect to other applications. You can add team members. You can check the items and services available, and you can connect your bank. So this is pretty much how you can switch to FreshBooks Accounting. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.